Alright, is that Love Clark again? Good morning, look at that sun. Ah, God, what is that? Looks like a nuclear bomb. It's gonna make me sneeze. Probably. Bless me. Got superstition, by the way. And that bless you when people sneeze. I don't know about you, but I think there's people with eyes are like sensitive to light, and like it makes us sneeze. Cause I know the pattern. I've noticed the pattern since I was a little kid that people will get out and they don't know it's the sun that does it. They just think when they come outside they sneeze. They don't recognize that it's the sun. And I've met most people with more fair-eyed, lighter-eyed color are more sensitive to the sunlight for some reason, and it makes them sneeze too. And I've asked other people throughout the years, does the sun make you sneeze? And I've met other people that agree with me that when you look at the sun, or you come in from a dark place to a light place, your eyes get that sunlight, it just makes you sneeze. I don't know why. Could anyone explain that? That's our science question. Okay? Why does the sun make people sneeze? It's right in my eyes, so that's why they're all squinting. I can't see. Like that first day I identified myself, the sun was right in my eyes. So why does it make us sneeze?